everything. What type of education do you need to be a legal transcriber? So first, you do need to be trained. It's very different than just general transcription or medical transcription. You need to know the legal process for things. You need to be trained on templating and formatting and what is expected to be in an actual transcript, right? So you don't have to take any specific program or any specific certification or anything. You can get educated wherever you would like. There are quite a few community colleges that offer legal transcription course, including online courses. Some of them are kind of split in person and online, but there are some online ones. You can just find someone to train you. You can take an online course like ours, but you do need to be trained in legal transcription because it is very different. If you just go search legal transcription and see what that looks like, you'll see what I mean. There's a specific process that needs to be done. So you do need to learn that. If you can learn it on your own, more power to you. People ask frequently, do you need a specific certificate or a specific program? So usually what they're talking about is AAERT, which is A-A-E-R-T, and that is a certificate that you can sit for and earn, and it is one that you will see listed on online job postings for legal transcription because they want to know that you have been trained, and if you have passed that certificate exam, they know you know what you're doing. So that takes away they would just be inundated with people who have no idea what legal transcription is because it's work from home. So you will see that on online postings a lot. Most people find positions through the program that they, whatever school they go through or online program, because we are connected with people like our own company that hires transcribers. But online, you will see that certification. That specific one, you used to not be able to even sit for the exam until you had a year of experience. So that tells you you didn't need it in order to get work, obviously. Anthony has never had the certification. We do have people on staff that have had it. We also have court reporters on staff, so they have other certifications. But you don't need that to get hired. Pretty much everywhere that you apply to is going to have you do an actual transcript. They're going to tell you, what formatting they're using, etc., and then they're going to give you a file so that you complete it and they can see that you know what you're doing, right? And then they're going to be checking your work essentially for the first however many files, whatever their process is, until they trust that they only have to look at the spots that you have said, I need help on this, I couldn't hear them, I have a question about it, whatever. We call them hot spots. So people are going to be checking your work, so you need to know what you're doing. So you do need to be trained.